Namaste दोस्तों. Hello friends, this is Suman Sharma. Welcome back to my channel Suman Education Hub English. In this video we will see how to record sales return entry in Telegram. There is a question I have prepared. Return received from our store 30 t-shirt at the rate of 300 and 15 trouser at the rate of 5% trade discount at the rate of 8%. So how you will record this sales return entry in Tally Prime, we will see in this video. So first we need to open Tally Prime, and from gateway of Tally we will press V. From the right hand side we will select credit note voucher, as because this is a sales return, so sales return entry records in credit note voucher. By pressing F2 you can change the date in which date you have received credit note. Or after this you have to select party ledger, so select the party ledger, and after that by pressing Ctrl C create sales return ledger under sales account, and by pressing Ctrl A you can save the screen. And after this you have to select one by one all the product. By pressing Ctrl C we will create the ledger, as because stock ledger has not been created in my Telegram. So I am going to create here first shirt ledger. Under we will sell in pieces, that's why we will create this ledger under pieces or under number unit. And after this we have to select the quantity. So quantity is 30 at the rate of 300. Second stock item is, by pressing Ctrl C we will create second stock item, trouser. Trousers under we will select, if you are selling in pieces, so create select the unit in pieces, or if you are selling in numbers, so select the number unit. And 15 quantity at the rate of 500. So one by one you have to select all the products you have received as a sale return. And by pressing Ctrl C you can create trade discount ledger. So we will create trade discount ledger as the indirect expenses, as because we are returning this, that's why this ledger will be created under indirect expenses. When you will mention -8%, Tally will automatically calculate trade discount. If you want to use calculator in Tally Prime, so by pressing Control and you can use calculator in Tally Prime, and you can calculate 8% of the total amount. So you can see there is a 8% amount is matching. So you can use calculator in Tally Prime as well if you don't have a calculator with you. So this is how we have recorded sales return first entry. Now let's move to the second entry. Second entry is modern tailors return 10 frocks which were sold for cash at the rate of 200 each. So 10 frocks has been returned. So in the same voucher credit note we will record the same ledger. And by pressing Ctrl C I'm going to create here frock ledger, because frock ledger is not created in my Tally Prime. Under pieces unit, and unit it's 10 frock at the rate of 200 rate. There is no trade discount, so this is how you can record simple credit note voucher. And let's move to the third entry, return received from Tulip store 12 t-shirt. So change the date, and in same voucher credit note we will record this entry. Select the party name, sales return, and then by pressing Ctrl C, if stock ledger not created, so you can create. So t-shirt quantity it's 12 at the rate of 100 each. So quantity would be 10, 12, and rate would be 100. There is a trade discount at the rate of 10%. So we will apply trade discount minus 10%. You will see Tally will automatically calculate a trade discount. So this is how you can also record sales return entry in Tally Prime, as I have shown you in this video. I hope this information will help you out. Please like, share and subscribe.